Hello, and welcome to this short video on P6-Loader calendar rolldowns. Today I'm going to take a few minutes to look at how to roll down calendars from the global level to the project level using P6-Loader. So P6-Loader is a tool that was developed by Emerald Associates that allows you to extract out or load in information from P6. In addition to extracting out and loading in information, we've also provided some really helpful utilities to help work with your data in P6. And one of those utilities is the calendar roll down feature. Now let's just take a look at how it works. Now I have two projects here that I have just imported in from a contractor. And if I navigate over to my activities, I can see that I have, two calendars that came along with it. And I have found out when I went into my calendars here that those calendars imported as global calendars. Now, these calendars are important to this project, but they are not important to my organization overall. So what I want to do with these is I want to roll these calendars down to the project level and maintain them in each of their respective projects. And of course, the way I'm going to do that is with P6-Loader. So I'm going to, first of all, go into P6-Loader here and log in. And I'm going to go do an extraction of the P6-Loader calendar roll down sheet. So this is how I would get my blank sheet, and I'm going to submit that. Now that that's done, I can go ahead and I can download this and then open it in Excel. So I've got a blank sheet here, and it's asking me for some information on performing, so it can perform this calendar roll down. It wants to know the name of the calendar that I want to roll down. So I'm just going to go back into P6. I'm going to actually just copy and paste these calendar names into my sheet. Now, the reason I like to do this is because I like to make sure that I don't have any typographical errors, because if it's not typed right in the loader sheet, of course, it's not going to be able to find it for me and roll it down. So when I am able to, I cut and paste so that my information is accurate and I don't get any errors when I actually load the sheet up. Now it's asking on this column B where I want to roll this calendar down to, what project ID. So again, I'm going to go back into P6 and I'm going to navigate to my projects and just take these and copy and paste the project IDs again into my sheet. Now I have one more column to deal with. P6-Loader wants to know whether I want to delete the original calendar at the global level or whether I want to keep it there. So in the case of my 001 calendar, I want to keep it at the global level as well as roll it down, because I'm not quite sure I have any other projects that are using this calendar. So I'm just going to say that I don't want to delete it at this point. So I'm going to put a false. Now on my 002 calendar, I do know that this is the only place that it is being used. So I'm going to say true. I do want to delete it at that global level and just roll it down. So this is all the information I need for my calendar roll down. I would save this file and then go into P6, and I would go and choose that file that I just saved, called this calendar roll down here, and upload the file to make those changes and roll down those calendars. Once it's complete, I can go back into P6 and refresh my information so that I get the new data going to go into calendars, and I can see that my global calendar 001 was actually maintained at the global level like I asked it to do. And if I navigate over into my project calendars, I now have those calendars also at the project level for each of their respective projects. So you can see how easy it is to maintain your database and keep it nice and clean with a calendar roll down for those global calendars. Now, if you'd like more information on P6-Loader or any of our other tools and services, you can give us a call or you can visit us at our website. Thank you for joining me.